Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a nice grilled cheese sandwich with some ketchup. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today in this video is to show you guys how to make it. Alright, so I do have a nice glass of milk too as well, so this one right here, and I got me some Pringles along the side with it, okay? So let's go ahead and get started and try to make this nice grilled cheese sandwich. So here we are at the kitchen area, so this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is the kitchen. This is where I'm going to be making my grilled cheese sandwiches over here. Just so you know, this is what it looks like, okay? Alright, so I got the bread, I got the cheese, I got my plate, and I got some butter right there, and a grilled cheese maker. And I got my tripod right there, so I'll be doing a tripod overhead camera. Alright, so I'm going to go in and get started here on making this grilled cheese sandwich here for you today. So the first thing is we need to do is grab 2 pieces of bread. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now is grab these 2 pieces of bread. Alright, the next thing is we need a butter spread. I like to use this one because it's so much easier to use when you're spreading your butter. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm getting kind of low, so I think I should be good to go on making this grilled cheese sandwich with the butter. So I got my knife here, and then I'm going to take the spread here, take a nice big sweep, and just put it on the bread here. Okay, kind of just like that. You don't need a whole lot of bread. You just need enough just to melt the butter on the bread or something like that. But yeah, we need to grab one more to go. Alright, so there we go. There's one more. And then we'll put it on here. Oh, and just so you know, I am currently using butter bread for my grilled cheese sandwich, okay? Alright, so there's the butter. That's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to put this knife on the side here. Alrighty. And then, see, I want to show you guys this close-up real quick. Just so you know, that's what it looks like. So that's pretty good, pretty good. And then the next thing is I'm going to open up my cheese here. I'm using American cheese. You can do 1 or 2 slices of cheese if you wanted to, or you can do like provolone or stuff like that. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. Alright, so I'm going to open this up now. I'm trying to get ahead of myself because this grilled cheese maker, it can cook a little bit fast, but okay, just to warn you. Alright, so I'm going to put this on the side. Okay. Alright, now, the next thing is I got my grilled cheese maker here. Alright, so I'm going to open this up. This is what it looks like on the inside, okay? And then I got my bread here. I'm going to place it right here. Alright, and then I got my cheese. I'm going to put the cheese on there. And then I got a second piece of bread here. Got that one right there too. Alright, so I'm going to close this now. And there we go. Alright, so we have to wait a few minutes before this thing is cooked, and I'll get back to you guys in just a moment.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so I think the grilled cheese maker is done, so let's take a quick look at this. Alright, so let's see here. Oh yeah, that's definitely done. So what you want to do is try to get a nice golden brown, kind of like this. See, as you can see, it's like kind of like that. And the same goes for the other side too. So that's also pretty cool. So I'm going to put this on a plate here. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to go ahead and close this up and then turn this thing off. And I want to show you guys something else too. Oh, one second. Alright. There we go. So that's on to the side. So I got my grilled cheese maker. So I'm going to get another knife. I'm going to cut it. Alright, so I got my knife here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it now. Kind of like this. There we go. So it's kind of nice and cut. And then after that, I like, I know it's kind of silly, but I like to use ketchup for my grilled cheese sometimes. So yeah, I use ketchup and eat grilled cheese too. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the side here. Oh yeah, somebody farted. Okay, so anyways, that's what it looks like, so that's pretty good. Alright, so I do have a nice glass of milk right here too as well. Alright, so now I'm going to go to my bedroom and sit down and talk to you guys more about this nice grilled cheese sandwich.
The next day.
So here we are back into my bedroom, as you can see. Alright, so I got my grilled cheese sandwich right here. Alright, so I'm going to do a test taste. I'm going to do a test taste without the ketchup, and then I'm going to do a test taste with the ketchup. Not bad without the ketchup, so now it's time for the with the ketchup, okay? Alright, so I'm going to dip it in here. Yeah, there we go. Nice. There's the nice ketchup. Alright, so here we go. So yeah, it's definitely 10 times better with eating ketchup. Okay, so now it's time to get something to drink here. Alright, so I'm gonna do this now. Cheers. So yeah, it's not too bad with the grilled cheese sandwich, as you can see. It's pretty good. It's one of my favorite sandwiches I like to make for a quick snack or something to eat for lunch or dinner. If you got like nothing else to eat, and too as well. And I also like to eat potato chips with it too sometimes. I kind of like my Pringles that's sitting over there. But yeah, it's pretty good grilled cheese. I would definitely recommend it. Just so you know, you can also put bacon, put pepperoni, you can put ham or whatever other stuff that you like to put on with the grilled cheese. So you know, it is also pretty good too with that. So yeah, it's good. Just so you guys know, I am going to be doing this video food review every week. Just so you know this now, because it is doing pretty good actually. I'm surprised a lot of you guys do like food reviews and snack reviews. So I'm going to keep going each and every week here for you today. And just so you know, I'm still going to be doing gameplays on my YouTube channel and other stuff too as well. Alrighty, so I think that's pretty much it today, and I think that's all I want to share to you guys today about this nice grilled cheese sandwich. And I just want to say thanks for watching, and see you guys later.